how would you feel? I'm going at you cause you used to be my friend. You stole out, took me out like a little punk. You sold me out just for a little chunk. Relentless, and I'm coming at you real fierce. Understand this, I'm not gonna miss when I fire off my shotgun. Bam, bam, you took me to the hoop band. You scored a blow real low, took me down. You said you were my friend, then you messed around. You threw me out down the river like a...
Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, your CC Duelist. So today I decided to do something a little different, something I don't think I've done yet, and this is going to be of a wind-up deck profile. Now before I get any further, I want to let you know, as you can see right now, there are 2 cards I've teched in here, and when I get to them, I just want you guys to tell me down in the comment section below what you think. If you think that'd be good tech-ins, not so good tech-ins, I don't know. I just need some feedback from you guys, okay? Alright, and this is going to have to be a short deck profile. I'm getting picked up by my mom here in a little bit, so let's get on with it. A lot of this stuff is just standard stuff, so 3 rabbit, 3 rat, and 3 shark. Now, this is my personal preference. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I play 2 warrior. And now next, I got a few one-ofs, so just bear with me. I play 1 wind-up magician. If the effect of a wind-up monster is activated, except wind-up magician, you can special summon 1 level 4 or lower wind-up monster from your deck in face-up defense position. This card can only be used once while this card is on the field. And then I play 1 wind-up juggler. After damage calculation, if this card battled an opponent's monster, you can destroy that opponent's monster. This effect can only be activated once while this card is on the field. Next, 1 wind-up hunter. You can tribute 1 face-up wind-up monster, except wind-up hunter. Send 1 random card from your opponent's hand to the graveyard. And next one, this is pretty simple. Wind-up kitten, just pop a monster back to their hand. Okay, now this is the card that I teched in that I need your guys' opinion on. I play 2 Cyber Dragon. Now just let me know if you think this would be a good card or not. Its effect's really awesome. If your opponent controls a monster and you control none, special summon this card from your hand. Next, I'm going on to the spells. Not a big monster count, I know. 3 wind-up factory. And this is the other card I need your opinion on, because this card has actually helped me a lot when I've been playing it. It's Chicken Game. And this is actually the first time I've actually played this card. So, the player with the lowest life points takes no damage. Once per turn during your main phase, the turn player can pay 1,000 life points to activate 1 of these 3 effects. Draw a card, destroy that card, or you gave your opponent 1,000 life points. Neither player can activate cards or effects in response to this card's activation. So just let me know down in the description bar below what you think. Sorry, not description bar, comment section. Next, we played 3 MST, 1 Regeki, 2 Dark Hole, and 1 Book of Moon. For the traps, Compulse, Bottomless, Torrential, 2 Mirror Force, 2 Magic Cylinder, 2 Venus Chain, and 1 Deep Prison. Yeah, no side deck. Weird, huh? Your CC Duelist always has some kind of a side deck, but not this time. For the extra deck, 1 Ghost Trick, 1 Leviaire, 1 MX Saber, 1 number 17, 1 Abyss Dweller, 1 Castell, 1 101, 1 Diamond Dire Wolf. Now this card is actually new. I've never used this one before. 1 Gagaga Samurai and 1 Gagaga Cowboy, 1 103, 1 Black Ship of Corn, 1 Crazy Box, 1 Keeper of Armageddon, and 1 Tyrus. Alright, YouTube, that's it. I know, short and sweet and to the point. Now, like I said before, let me know down in the comment section below if you think Cyber Dragon and the Chicken Game would be a couple of good tech-ins for a wind-up deck. And that'll pretty much do it for now. This is your CC Duelist, and I'm signing out. See you later, guys. Hello, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up to show your support. Check out your CC Duelist on his Facebook page. Follow me on Twitter. Check out the previous video if you haven't already. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.